Best marketing tools. Marketing tools are resources for planning, executing, and measuring marketing efforts to engage target audiences effectively and achieve business goals. They encompass various applications and strategies like social media platforms, email marketing software, and analytics tools. SEMrush. SEMrush is an all-in-one digital marketing tool that provides comprehensive insights and analytics to help businesses optimize their online presence. Go to SEMrush. HubSpot. HubSpot is an inbound marketing and sales software platform that offers a suite of tools to help businesses attract, engage, and delight customers. Go to HubSpot. ZoomInfo. ZoomInfo is a data intelligence platform that provides accurate and comprehensive information about companies and professionals. It offers a wide range of B2B. Go to ZoomInfo. Papaya Global. Papaya Global is a global payroll and workforce management platform that offers a cloud-based solution to help businesses manage their international payroll, compliance, and human resources. Papaya Global is what you need. Go to Papaya Global. Quartile. Quartile is an Amazon advertising optimization platform that helps sellers and advertisers improve their Amazon-sponsored products campaigns. It uses data-driven insights and algorithms to automate keyword bidding. Go to Quartile. Keep, formerly known as Infusionsoft, is a comprehensive small business CRM, customer relationship management, and marketing automation software. It provides tools to manage customer information, track interactions. Go to Keep. What is a CRM software? CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. A CRM software is a tool or application designed to help businesses manage and maintain their relationships with customers and potential customers. It serves as a centralized database that allows companies to store, organize, and analyze customer information, interactions, and activities. The primary purpose of CRM software is to enhance customer relationships, improve customer satisfaction, and drive business growth. 1. Contact management. It allows businesses to keep track of customer contact information, such as names, addresses, phone numbers, email addresses, and other relevant details. 2. Sales automation. CRM software often includes features to automate sales processes, such as managing leads, tracking deals and opportunities, and generating sales reports. 3. Marketing automation. It may offer tools to automate marketing activities like email campaigns, lead nurturing, and customer segmentation. 4. Customer service and support. CRM systems can assist in managing customer inquiries, issues, and support tickets, ensuring timely responses and resolutions. 5. Analytics and reporting. CRM software provides insights and reports based on customer data, helping businesses make informed decisions and identify trends. 6. Collaboration and communication. It facilitates collaboration among team members by allowing them to share information and communicate effectively. 7. Integration capabilities. Many CRM solutions can integrate with other business tools like email clients, calendar applications, and marketing platforms, streamlining workflows and enhancing. Overall, CRM software plays a crucial role in optimizing customer interactions, fostering customer loyalty, and increasing sales revenue for businesses of all sizes and industries.